Hola, hello all. Today we are going to unbox the Smart Fingers grinder, which is a 2 liters capacity. If we look at it, it's the world's first battered dispatch tabletop wet grinder. And then if you see the specifications, and it's used for a small family of 4 members, and it's very simple to clean it. So this we bought through the Amazon and delivered quickly, and it has a 5 years warranty. Now we are going to unbox it. First we are taking the invoice of it, and which is very strong, and I think you can use a knife to cut it and take it off. So we are unboxing the Smart Fingers. If we see this, we have that ladle which is used for cleaning inside the drum of the grinder. And if you see that on the top, we have the caps of the grinder, and also we see this hole here. It's a round one, and it lets the air inside it to be more flexible for the grinder. Overall, if you see, it's amazing, and the brightening light weighted the lid for grinder. Box set. Oh, it's amazing. See, awesome, which we have a grinder inside. We have here Smart Fingers 5 years warranty booklet to be prepared for any issues in the future, and it's 2 liters. If you look at it, this is pretty much used to protect the stones inside the grinder. So we got very good, beautiful grinding stones, and we have a grinding drum with a nicely made inside, and then we have this everything, and this guy is very curious to know the things, and then we are not able to stop him here. Let's fix it on the grinder. We are going to mount the drum on the grinder, so it is fitted very well onto that. And now we are going to put the stones on it. We are going to fix it, the stones on the drum. Yes, altogether it is a complete pack of nice drum and the stones and the grinder. And now what we are going to do next thing, we are going to put the outlet. So this is the outlet where we get the dough outside, and then we are going to put the cap to it to close, and we are going to get the dough from here. When we open the cap, we'll get it. This outlet needs to be carefully fixed. You see that white and the black droplet should be on the same path, and as showing in that direction close. When turned that way, it is completely closed. Let me show you how that to be done. So it comes, and then when you see the bottom, and it's directly coming from the grinder outside it, and we have the closing knob for it. So that is completely closed, and when you remove it, and then it will come out, and easily the dough will be coming down.
Yeah, we can put the right.
Yeah.
Like down.
Yes. Altogether, it's a nice fine fingers grinder with lid, stones, drum, and outlet, and the motor, and let's test it. We have put some water in it to going to test it and
It's
clean it.
clean.
This boy is going to press the start button. Now let's open this to see that how the water would would come outside. Oh, it's pretty much cool stuff. And what we are going to do in the next video will be giving the review of how it's making the dough and how it is coming out of this outlet and the fine fingers. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe, share and like it. Thanks a lot, guys. Now it is finally with a little cute fine fingers. It is going to be a smart fingers. Comfort plus. Thank you. Thanks a lot, boys, guys, gents, everyone.
Daddy, can you put a fruit? Fruit. You put fruit? You put what? Fruit.
No fruits. Rice,
Rice.
dal,